Do you think you need to work out every day to see progress? Well, think again. Hi, I'm Alex Mix, professional personal trainer for the past 12 years, and I'm here to tell you why recovery days are just as important as workout days. Recovery days allow your muscles to repair and grow. Without rest, you risk overtraining, which can lead to injuries and burnout. So, over time, pushing too hard without proper recovery can actually slow down your progress, making workouts less effective. Active recovery, such as walking, stretching, or yoga, can keep you moving without putting excessive stress on your body. Sleep also plays a major role in recovery, helping your body rebuild muscle tissue and regulating hormones like cortisol and testosterone. If you're not getting enough sleep, your body is not recovering properly. Nutrition matters too. Eating enough protein, healthy fats, and carbohydrates supports muscle repair and energy levels. Hydration is another key factor as well. Dehydration can increase muscle soreness and slow down recovery. One common mistake that I see people make is thinking that rest days mean doing absolutely nothing. While some complete rest days are necessary, incorporating movement like light cardio or mobility work can improve blood flow and actually speed up recovery. Of course, listening to your body is crucial. If you feel constantly fatigued, struggle with motivation, or notice a decline in performance, you may not be allowing enough time for recovery. As you can see, rest is not a sign of weakness. It's a crucial part of long-term progress. By prioritizing recovery, you'll perform better, you'll reduce your risk of injury, and you'll have more energy for your workouts. Struggling to find balance? Let's create a plan that works for you. Reach out today. If you missed my last video, 5 ways to improve your fitness mindset, I highly recommend watching it, and you can do so by clicking above. Also, be sure to subscribe to the channel. It greatly helps out a brand new small channel. And until next time, stay strong, people.